are you guys doing? Look, there's birdies everywhere. I don't know what they're after. We didn't actually put anything in the water. What are they after? Let me see what they're after.